Alright guys, let's get right into the video. You heard the title, or you saw the title. It said, it's all in your head. I'm going to be a bit quiet because it's 1 in the morning and everyone in my house is sleeping. And I do not want to wake them up. But, you saw the title. I'm not even going to get intro into it. I'm just going to go for it. One of those rants that I just talk, you know what I'm saying? I hope the audio is clear. I'm using my phone as audio. But, what I wanted to talk about today is this one topic that I had like a big epiphany, I don't know, a big realization recently about this topic specifically. And it was like, I had like a big breakthrough in my life where, I just had this big realization where I'm like, damn, bro, like a lot of the things that limits us, that prevents us from being great, all these beliefs that we have, like everything's in your head. Any problem that you have right now, anything that's preventing you from making you happy, everything's in your head. That shit is not real. Like literally, bro, it's in your head. One of the biggest blocks that I had was this financial thing of I can't make a certain amount in a year. And then I saw someone do it in like 3 months, right? So that just like blew my mind. I'm like, holy shit, like, you know what I mean? Like all these reasons I was telling myself why I couldn't do it, that was all in my head. The reason I wasn't happy, right? It wasn't because like there's so much to be grateful for. Got a roof right here, got a bed. I'm eating good food. I have some like boiled eggs right there. I got an amazing setup right there, beautiful computer. I'm loving my life, traveling the world. But like if I'm happy about like some small things, first of all, that shit's in my head. That shit's not even true. Like I'm just replaying negative things back in my head. I'm just reliving negative like past moments. I'm just thinking badly, right? That shit's all in my head. And like once you realize that, right, you will realize that like most of the things that preventing you from doing the shit you want to do. So every time you have a little bitch in you, that little thing in you that makes excuses, that little thing in you that says, oh, I can't do it because of this, like no, bro, like it's not the reality. It's literally just in your head. Most of the shit that you worry about, the reason you say to yourself why you can't do it, why you shouldn't, oh man, I shouldn't do this because, no, like, nah, man, it's all in your head. Just realize that this shit is all in your head. This shit is not real, okay? You are the only one that's going to prevent yourself from being successful. Only if you let it, though. You're going to have to conquer yourself. You're going to have to conquer your mind. Every time you hear that bitch, that inner bitch in yourself, you got to realize that shit's not even real, bro. That shit's just in my head. We're like kind of almost all predisposed to being negative, predisposed to kind of be our worst enemy. And once you realize that, all these negative self-talk, you're like, nah, man, like, fuck that. That shit's just in my head. I'm gonna still go get mine. And that's how I've been feeling lately, right? All these excuses as to, why I shouldn't do this, why I can't do this, why this is not possible for me. That shit's all in my head. That shit's not even real. Like, literally, bro, like, you might have the ability to be making $1 million a month, right? You probably do, and you probably will. If not now, you probably will. But if your mindset is stuck at, man, I can't do that because, the economy, the taxes, the government, the politics, the way the market is. Dude, that shit's all in your head. That shit's not even true. Like, that shit's all in your head. Just realize that. Realize that shit's all in your head. And once you do realize that, you have a lot of power, okay? Another thing, like I said, not only just like the beliefs in yourself, but like if you're unhappy right now, really think about it. Like, why are you unhappy, right? Some certain life situation or whatever, like you gotta understand, you can't change the past. You can't, like, future is not even here yet. All you have is the present moment. And if you are worried about something, that's because you're in your head. Everything's in your head. Like, a lot of people, they get in their head all these negative thought patterns, all these negative loops of just like past memories, like they keep on playing, right? Like even me, I've been a big victim to that. I do that shit sometimes, and it's not serving you in any way. And like a big realization of just noticing that most of this shit's not reality. Like it's all in our head. Like we create all these shit that makes us unhappy, shit that prevents us from doing great things. And just knowing this, man, I'm just like, damn, like once you do realize that, like, it's all in your head, you actually like can do shit. All you gotta do is just fight through that bullshit. Like that, every time you do something that's bringing you towards your goal, every time you fight against your inner bitch is gonna come and start like trying to get to make you a bitch again. But remember, just persist through that. Every time you hear negative self-talk, catch that. Be like, man, that's just the inner bitch in me talking. That's not even true. And once you do that, life will be great. You will just be happier. You will achieve better goals. Most of the limits that you place are being placed by you or maybe the society, but you got to realize that shit's in your head. That's not the truth, okay? Pretty short video. Just wanted to get this little rant out there. I'm gonna be making more videos, and I say that in every video, but yeah, I finally got my setup back from my apartment. I moved back in Mississauga, so yeah, I got this. This is my setup, I guess, for now. I got some things I have to do for the day. Got the LEDs light in here. I can change it up. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Make it look all cool and shit in here. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I would love to hear what you guys think about this topic. For those of you that did watch till the end, let me know what you think, and see you guys later. Have a great day. I love y'all. Thank you for the support. My life's been great. Realizing that everything's in my head, and most of the shit's not even true, makes me even happier. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day. Peace.